live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Testing. There we go. Okay. I just had to reset it. OBS decided to remove it and go somewhere else. And at the same time, that did my sound check. OFT. You know what I said last night? I'm going to start trying to trade gold. It's maybe Putin also. Honestly, we have a lot of GPS interviews. No kidding. That's crazy. It's true. I remember you told me, but you said you're about an hour and a half from the border. Even that far in? If I remember, I think that's what you said you were. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of opportunity in gold, except for the fact that gold really moves quickly. There's a lot of air pockets. So I think I have to set my targets and my stop loss quite far away So if I hit a $1 air pocket, it's not a significant part of my profit or loss. It seems like a good market. I'm looking to try it out. Looking forward to trying it out, actually. I traded it in Bulenox yesterday while I was figuring out my settings. I got down 400, but then I got comfortable with the settings that I had. And I brought it back up to, I'll tell you in a minute, it's on my other computer. Accounts. Plus 123. Can't complain about that. Anyways, I'm not going to devote too much time to it. I don't want that to be too much of a distraction. Wow, it doesn't look like a lot of movement overnight. I'm just fixing up my charts here. Move up, a move down, a move back up. That looks like, let's go to the 15-minute. We took out the Asia highs, we took out the Asia lows, but we also took out the Asia highs again. Okay, so that invalidates that. There goes that. What else we got? We're above the previous close, we're above VWAP, we're just under previous day's high. So basically, break above previous day's high, take out London highs, and head higher. That's a potential, another hypothesis, exactly the same, but then rotate and trade lower and take out London lows and the Asia lows. Well, let's say London lows, it's lower. Get below previous day's close and trade lower. And third one, trade lower. Take out London lows and then trade higher. I don't have an opinion on what the real move is going to be and what the fake out's going to be. Not yet. Now, on the other hand, this line doesn't need to be here. We are rocketing higher. Since April, we are up almost, more, 30%, probably a little even more, maybe 31%. That's crazy. That's a strong move. So today could be a day of pause, a day of rest, consolidation right here at the highs before we move higher again. 600, yeah, I'm looking at that right now. Do we have anywhere that we rocketed off or traded higher? I'd say the 21,200 level. We moved higher a couple of times when we hit there. 1, 2, 3. So if we trade down to 21,200, 21,150, let's say, kind of moved higher off that. Okay. It's also, you know what? That's 2 minutes. I'm going to mark that level in actually, because it's also touching this high over here. Well, no, not really. This looks a little bit subjective, but I'm going to put it in around there. Wherever it is, it is. Oh, look at that. My short worked out. I missed it over there. But anyways, I wouldn't take a trade at 28 or 26 minutes after the hour. The imbalance report comes out. What I would have liked to do is maybe just take a one lot and clear out the trade copier mess that we can expect. So let me set it up. And you. Okay. Go to the positions tab. If you're still around, you're not streaming today? Still taking the day off? Or setting up? Whatever it was that you said there. That in, we'll do a sound check. Markets are opening now. First order will be a market order. Like I said, to make sure that everything is working. It'll be for a one lot. Looks good here. We're at the previous day's high over there. Very close to getting stopped out. That's going to suck on the first trade. Come on, push lower. Trying to push lower. Okay, I put in my limit order. Fill it. Push. Give it a. There we go. They all went out, and it looks like the trade copier worked. Hopefully, I cleared out the early morning fuzzies that it always has. Now we figure out what the market's going to do. Really? Bounce off the previous day's high like that so cleanly? Didn't even get above it, eh? I'll take a small trade over here. Let's see what happens. Okay, gotta get out. Gotta get out. Wait for a little bit of a reversal. Watching the algo. You know what I'm going to watch today? Today I'm watching the 15-minute ORB, the way they trade it. Look at the volatility. Oh my God, it's so small. It's so small, 12 points. It's nothing. Oh God, are we going into the summer doldrums? Oh, that's going to make trading tough. Anyways, it is what it is. We'll do our best with what we got. Couldn't trade a little bit lower, I would have entered on that pullback. I needed it to go down to, can't really see over here, but I need the other cursor. I needed it to go down to 352. Ooh, I have a trade. Let's see if I can get in. Forget it. Wow, we're really running strong. And I just FOMO'd into a trade. That was no good. I got out. Why did I FOMO in? Because I got pissed that I missed my entry. Shit, I went for 21 points. Would have been nice. Anyways, it is what it is. There will be a million more trades, especially since if you know the way I trade. Safe to remove hard here. That was a strong move higher. Are we even going to get opportunity to get in even on one candle? Take me out. Took a long in Bulenox. Trying to get out for 30. I got out for 40 actually. That was the scalp within the bars. Within the Renko bars. That's a bearish candle. Maybe that's when we should have entered one bearish candle. And if it didn't break the low of that candle, it's going to break the low quickly though if it does. I'm not sure I want to take it for that size. Oh, it's true. I didn't even set up my algo, eh? I wanted to trade. Morning. And we'll do, like always, a 5 lot. And we will enable it. Go on positions, everything filled. Let's see what we get here. I think I could have gotten a better price. Probably should have fought for a better price. And, oh, it stopped out already. Okay. It is what it is. Stopped out. Gotta stop out. Okay, let's break the high of the previous candle. We got to get above 85, which is where I'm long at. Don't like what I did. Are you joking? Okay, forgot about that. And of course, I catch a loser. Okay. It is aggressive and it takes me out. Getting back down to the previous day's high. Check my positions. Everything is working. Let's get down to 50 bid. 55, 54, 53, 56, 55. See if we can break lower. I'll add here, hoping we break lower, although the pressure is up. Yeah. Oops. It so looks like it's going to stop me out. I need the luck of the Irish. Because that was a stupid move. I can't trade up to a one lot. What? Oh, I can trade up to a one lot, but that's the max. Let's get organized again. $66, $59, $7. What? Two? I don't even understand. Anyways, get out and flatten all because things were screwed up. I don't know what happened there. Okay, the system is long at 71. That's not a good entry. Just it went short. Actually, no, it stopped out. So, the next possible trade we're going to have is the algo. Potentially taken along if we can get a bullish candle. That's a bounce right off the previous day's high. The green dashed line on the black chart. Breaking lower. VWAP's a target. VWAP is a definite target. I want to go for VWAP. There we go. Would have been happier if we nice short trap yesterday. I didn't see even that. Okay, let's take a look at the 15-minute. So, like one of the hypos I said. Oh, it's true. I don't want to forget about this one. Let me make a change to the indicator. I want to watch the 15-minute ORB based on the ATR. So we poked through it, but we didn't close below it. We have to close below it. Do we close below it, or do we make a triple bottom over here? Good morning, Joker Trades. Because right now we got a nice little triple bottom at 9, 9:30, and 9:45. Oh shit, I missed a entry. I'm missing my entries. Let's try and get 70 out of this one. 08, 07 and a quarter. Chipping away, chipping away. It's really coming down. 1 minute and 44 for this bar to close. I'll go switch short. This is some strong momentum. Trade copier screwed up. There we go. I marked off the 15-minute opening range breakout also on the black chart with the blue box. There we see. There's no way you're going to do this to me again. Tabernacle. Wow, market just doesn't let me trade larger size. And now I'm in oh no Mr. Bill territory. Well, we got view up there. Let's go, break lower. Need you to break lower. Okay, I escaped that disaster. The skin of my teeth, and now there's another entry. That's so funny. 93, I'm short at 93. Let's increase better. Let's make my price better. 95, the market is short at 94. Let's get down to 87 bid. 87 bid. There we go. Finally, something worked out decently. Thanks to proper entries. It's really going to be a two only. Uh-oh. We got view up there again. Oh, Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Let's get down to tens.
Connection lost.
That's weird. It says connection lost, but still working. So we're going to rocket higher now into the previous day's high. Or trade lower and go take out the U.S. session lows again. Can this be? No, that couldn't be a bear flag. Short. Really? Boop. That is the algo going short. The algo's getting, wow, look at the volatility. Blew up to 30 points. No, come on. Where is the algo? The algo, the algo, the algo. Do we even have? I have it somewhere. Which chart? Did I put it on the wrong chart? This is crazy. I don't see it. Ah, there we go. That was really weird. It was like I went into an alternate universe. I was going to get short. Hopefully ride the algo down to decent profit. It'd be nice to see the algo take a winning trade. I can always say, it's been a long time. I had a nice trade there, 87. We popped up to 90, 93, 94. I would have liked to have taken it there. Okay, there'll be another one. Let's go, algo. We got to get down to 21,267 about. Come on, dump. 80. Let's get down to 67. Let's get down to 67. Oh, gotta get out. One set. Maybe I should have taken the plus 150. Or maybe not. Maybe it's gonna get back down there. It's possible. Let me lower my size and take a 2-lot if I can. And then if we go down, I'll add a 2-lot. And hopefully it'll go down 20 points. Come on, get down to 80 bid. 80 bid. That's where I'm going to offer another 2-lot. $80 bid, going the wrong way. Trying to get there. I think it's going to get there. I hope it's going to get there. It's probably going to go quick if it gets there. That's what I think. Come on, push lower. Patterns have to happen sometimes. Push lower. You got view up there. Come on, people see view up. Oh, really? That's it. It's out. Gotta stop out. And really? I'm going to be in this trade into news potentially. I don't think I'm going to close it. That's it. It hit the stop up anyways, and now we wait. Following the rules. Wow, the algo just fell apart this week. Since that great trade that I missed because of the dentist. So we're going to get above previous day's high again. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes, see what it looks like. Trading between VWAP and the previous day's high. Kind of like trading between VWAP and the previous day's close. A little bit of a problematic area.
Cancel.
I've got a hair in my mouth. Try that again if I can get my price. Hard to say what it wants to do, right? But we are in a bullish phase right now. Don't you dare. Oh my God, my God. Go, push back up. Push back up. Let's get to 15, 19, 29 bid. $29 bid. It's not that hard. What's the range? It's 24 points. Come on, 29 bid. Wrong way. I wanted to add there. Let's go, push. Come on, give it a pop. 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 Pop it. Copier's working. That's good. Come on. Yeah, fuck it.
Cancel.
Okay, so what's the algo? Kind of would be short again. I'm not taking that though. Why am I not taking that again? Because we're right on VWAP. Let's see what the next trade brings us. Let's do it for a 4 lot. Let's go long here right on VWAP and see if we can push higher. My stop will be about I'm thinking about 10 points. That was a decent trade. Trying again. Oh, it's true. Okay, so let's get in and see what happens. Let's hold one properly.
Cancel.
Okay, we got out. Churning commissions. Today could be one of those days. Oh, that looks like a spike in the sand. Oh, I want it to go long. I was excited there for a minute. I want it to go long because of that spike. We were still long on everything on topstep. So far, have I traded topstep? No, doesn't look like it. And have I traded Bulenox? Bulenox, I'm up 123 from last night, and I'm up 50 in my master account. It's not really a good day today. Got right up to the previous day's high, bouncing off that. I'll just take a 2-lot here. I think we're going to go back to smaller size. If I can get... Flattenol. Oh, Flattenol isn't even doing that thing anymore. Puts me long right under previous day's high. Not a big fan of this trade. But maybe we'll bust through. There's got to be some stops there. That's what I got to figure. There were. I didn't hang on for them long enough. Let's make one more candle. 57. Let's go up to 64. 64 on the offer. And I think 53 is a good trade, and I think we can get up to 64. For a 2-lot, I'll try it. Nope. I gotta get out. Gotta get out. The flatten all button is busy today. Oh, the algo. What's the algo gonna do? The algo converted to a long bias. Where's 930? Yeah, so took one short trade, lost. Algo converted to a long bias. Let's see what happens. You know what I think the difference is? I'm not taking my profits really today, like I usually do. I'm holding on for more. And I don't have a real clear trend. What are you going to short right on VWAP? Seriously? You're doing that to me, and I'm taking the trades like a sucker? Nah, I'm going to let it go. I'm going to let it go. Let's see, I'll tell you. Short. It just went short at 315. Let's see if it goes down to 308. That's the target. Let's see. Hold on. I completely, you know what? I'm going to have to make an alert. 310. Yeah. Fucking trade did well again today. $9.50. Where's $9.50? Oh, maybe not. Maybe a hard at $9.50. Where's the close at $9.50? Right there. And did it go down about 16 points? 09. Yeah, it did, eh? I'm going to have to watch that more closely. It's winning every day so far since I've been watching it. Yeah, I can take a 2-lot here for a small trade. 8 points. Let's get back down to VWAP. Long. The algo is long. I'm going with the algo. The algo can't lose forever. Push. Push, you pecker. 27 points it's going to go for. Let's break above the previous day's high. That's the green dashed line on the chart there. It's a bad place to have a big position. I'm trading crazy aggressive today. Well, let's lighten up. See, that's my extra pieces there. You can see the price it's at. Let's hope it makes another pop. Let's hope I called it right. Instead of a fast dump. Pop. Pop. You know you want to go up. Previous day's high. You want to smell it. 1. don't mind having a 5 lot into this. I don't want to have more. I'm trying to improve my price. Come on, get back up. Take me out. Hey, you went through it. Serious? Well, we got VWAP. Hopefully it pushes. Not that way. The other way. The other way. Wow, I'm questioning this algo, I swear to God. I've watched it for so long, it did so well. Okay, let's break up higher. Top step is long at 29. I'm long at 26. Nothing great. I'll take a little bit more here. Oops. 224. Gotta flatten again. Gotta get the algo back in the trade. Come on. The algo was long, going for about 49. Long at 29, so I got in back again at 28. You know what the problem is? I'm not good at letting it go. Because this could run. This could run. And almost touching it. Okay, we got a lower swing high and a lower swing low. We're kind of forming a little bear flag here, potentially. I'm curious to see what this does. If we break the low of the previous candle in the 1 minute, which we just did. Let me take a little bit of a break for the sound test. Again. So I'm glad I got out, but I'm thinking I can get back in though, or maybe a 3-lot. What time is it? 10:19, 24. I think it got long at what price? It got long at 29. So that doesn't make sense where the stop is. Well, what are we, long 3? I'll go long another 3 if we break the high of the previous candle on the 1-minute chart. That's what I'll be watching for, unless it gets stopped out. Another bounce off VWAP, and it's crazy. Look how we're just trading inside that garbage. I should put a box there. This little zone here is problematic for me. It's going back down to the stop, but we're wicking. Last time we wicked, we shot up, we rocketed up. So I added a little bit. I can afford it since I actually took out some profits on this trade by manually trading it. So go, get above VWAP. Come on. 18, 14, 14, 12, no good, 10, wrong way. Wrong way. How is it that it always breaks through the stop line with like a whole minute left because I gotta wait for the... You know what? I'm down $8. I'm taking it on this account. The hell with it. The hell with it. We're in a shitty zone. This is where I get chopped up, so you know what? That's my indication to take a break. Let's go see what some other people are doing. I wonder what gold's doing. I thought gold was down. Did a little bit of a zigzag move there. And the algo is still long, believe it or not. Okay, I fought for price. I'm happy with that. I didn't get in. Now let's go up 16 points from here. That was about 8. I'll take the other piece off. At 16 points. Around. The charts don't exactly match. Not gonna add if it goes back down to my entry. Come on, make me happy. Make me. Give me a decent trade for a change. Oh, went long, right under previous day's high. I'm only going to take that for a 2-lot. There we go, 2-lot. 20. The hell with it. Hey, you're still going flat and all, mange la marde. Never gets out when it's supposed to. $43 in the 30s. I can get in 39, maybe 38. Oh, do I have a headache? Do I have a headache? The algo got out at profit. TP, hit TP. Congratulations. The algo isn't a 100% loser. So 43, I'm long at 39. Let's see if we can poke above 43 again. 40, 42. That didn't work out. Wow. The chart is cluttered. Ah. Thank you. Wow, it's really struggling there at the previous day's high. Sellers are coming in every time. When it goes, it's gonna go. One way or the other. Someone's gonna push it hard somewhere. Someone's going to get fed up and say to hell with it and just dump a shit ton or buy a shit ton. Yeah. There we go. We got a little bit above. Came right back down. Got up to 50. Well, we blew through the triple bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadruple bottom. Triple bottom. Blew through it. Now we have a... I don't even know what the word is, but we'll call it a triple top because we've been plowing into it over and over and over and over and not going anywhere. It really is a good time to go refresh my coffee, play with the dog for 5 minutes, take some fresh air, come back. Play with my poker chips. And see what's what. I'd like to see price not only break above the previous day's high, which is the green dash line, as I've said many times, but I'd like to see price make 2 closes above it, 2 consecutive closes on the 1 minute chart. It's trying, and at least have a candle that's completely above. It's happening right now as we speak. As I mention it, it's happening. Playing with poker chips is good. It's gonna calm me. Wow. Okay. I'm putting on a clinic on how not to trade. That's one way to put it. At least it's green. Yeah, I was in deep poop. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, it is what it is. We learn from our mistakes, right? Oh, no. You're kind of looking. Oh, I'm going to get along with it. Another bounce off VWAP. Let's stretch out this thing here. As long as we're trading in this range, it's going to be difficult for me at least. Broke the highs, going lower. Come on, don't stop me out. Let's get a push. 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 I'm having a hard time committing to my trades. Let me go in for smaller size. There we go. Smaller size, I'll be able to sit and hold without stressing. I'm trying to push higher size, and all I'm doing is getting myself into trouble. Not good. That was a fast dump. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm going to stay small for the rest of the day. I haven't earned the right to trade big, and I'm just lucky I escaped. I'm just lucky I escaped without damage. That's all I can say. Let me take a big one lot here. Got my finger on the close button. I can hear you working at it. Click. Yeah, it sounds like this. That's what I'm hearing. I don't know what you... Okay. Yeah. It's not like Patrick Wieland or Matt or Pine Tree. I don't know. We're just stuck in this little fucking box between VWAP and the previous day's high. 21,347 and 21,320. We break a little bit above it, a little bit below it, but we're stuck in a 30-point range. Somebody's got to push it somewhere. I mean, it doesn't have to, but yeah. Maybe. I could never. Talking to me? Ah, yeah. You see, yeah, that's how it's done. You're right. I forget that. Keep a runner. Take out 80, 60, 70, 80% of the position. Keep a runner. Even take a 3 lot, sell 2, and keep a runner. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, you just right click, I think. Yeah, that's it. This has been an hour of hellish price action. Wow, 15-point range, 1 minute candles, 1 minute chart. Stuck in this zone. Between VWAP and previous day's high. Just bouncing back and forth. Let's take a one lot here. Let's go back up. You know what? Let's just keep trading it as it keeps giving us opportunities. Yeah, it's too bad I didn't get out of it. I would have gotten in again. Probably gonna. There you go. Give it to me again. I could have gotten two if it would have gotten me out on the first one. Just make sure you're getting your good price right around VWAP. Let it pop a little lower. Boom, boom, boom. One more pop. There we go. Let's get in around VWAP. Take me out. There we go. Rinse and repeat. So I'm going to do while we're here. Get in again. Try to take out another $12. I should even put in a limit order. 17 at 22, 23. There we go. Keep going. Fuck off. This is what it wants to give me. This is what I'll do. I'll play the bounces inside the range. That's the big one. That's the big one. Keep extending the box out. Oh, you know what? I think I could put a time on it. Properties. Start time, end time. Let's make it 11. There we go. Now I don't have to keep moving it. Oh, okay. I see why you're asking for 85. The 730 high, I'm guessing. Wow. I haven't gotten an entry in a long time. There we go. Finally, a long entry. 36 to 43. Well, now's the time to short, but I'm not shorting off the bounce of the previous day's high because, well, that would have made a quick 7 points there, but the hell with it. Let it go. Let it break through. There we go. Finally. Well, this is a triple top over here. Again, at the 360 level. Relative equal highs. Do we sweep them? Do we do a retest of the previous day's high and then bounce higher again? You see, that's the kind of day it is today. Everything is a question. There's no obvious trade. Just to revise, the algo took one short, lost, and a long, and it won. And now we're waiting for the next short. He's going to get his 85. I'm making a prediction. There's the tap back into the previous day's high. 57 at 50. Shit, at 50 it could have been a decent long for a quick scalp. Missed it. Missed it again. You got to be quick. Got to be quick. Anybody in the mood for a Britney Spears song? Oh, Lord. I wonder how other people are doing. They're probably doing well today. When I struggle, other people do well. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe I'll take a little preemptive long for a one lot. Get in a little early. Uh-oh. No. Oh, we broke the high. Let's get above 64. One's enough. One's enough. 65, I'll get out. 64, 60, 50. Get out at 50. Oof, that's right at the previous day's high. Okay, let's see if I can get 8 points out of this. 55, I'll get out at 63. Ah, I had 61. Empty. I will be back. I'm going to go refresh my coffee. Step 1. Step 2. Hey, shit. Algo went short. I'm gonna take another loss. Oh, motherfucker. So I went to go make a coffee, and the markets did a zippity doo dah. Traded hard, right under VWAP, rotated right back up. $50. Scale over the 50s. I'm back. You want your short, Joker? I didn't catch. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. I can see it if I look closely. Yeah, it looks like you're short. Wow, look at that target. That's a work of art. Down, eh? Come on, dump. Good job. Joker, I'm going to mute. I'm going dark. I'm finding it distracting. I closed up. Okay, well. Hopefully this one will go. Take it out. There you go. Really? Push up or stop me up? Push up or stop me up? Let's let this one go and see what we can get over 60. Improved it a little bit. We get down into the 50s. I'll go long again. 52. 347 is the previous day's high. Just do a 3 lot. Let's get up to 64. Bid, 55 bid, 54, 55. We get down to 52 again. I'll try to get back in. But we might break higher. Wow, it's just crazy that move there that it did, eh? Still marking it off. Wow, that was a quick entry, 54. You're going to give me 5 points in a split second. I'll take it. I will take it. It's true. I wanted to see what gold's doing. Ah, yeah, gold is. I may take a gold trade. If I flip the chart to this one here, I'll enter in gold. And the algo, well, the algo's really getting, oh shit, it went long. It went long at 56. I didn't catch that. $56, let's say, and it's going to go for approximately 14 points. That's 70. Let me try and get in 61. If I take a little bit out, it's any little bit I take out is good. Keep chipping away at the loss. 5 points away from 70, but it's still in the trade. 63.75. 65. We're going to see 67. Another piece out. 65. Come on, get up to 70. Get up to 70. Gold may go long. Almost 67. Oh, gold took a bit of a dump, eh? Looking at the daily, coming right back down to the 50-period moving average. That's the black dashed line. And crude's trading higher. They seem to be inverted, eh? Kind of like a W over here. Did this one do a W? Yeah, strange. I never would have thought that. And if we're looking at the 15-minute chart, it's strong. Never closed above VWAP. Deal me in, not one trade. PA is ass. Yeah, I know. Deal me in's not loaded. Hold on, let me load it for you. You got to give it about 30 seconds. When are we going to see you? Oh, gold's going to get a trade. It's fine, all good. Wait for me. Gold is hard to trade. It moves fast. It moves fast. At least on a Renko basis. And it's very air pockety. I shouldn't be trading it at this size, to be honest with you. As I'm learning, it should just be a one lot. A one lot with one ad. Let's see what I can pull out of gold while I'm watching NQ. Yeah, I'm definitely, I think that's it. It's one lots on gold. Let me put in a limit order here to buy, to add. Add one over there. That's a good area for an ad. And then we spike up $1 right after that. There we got the 21,370. I guess took a full profit. Gold's quiet today. I should get up a 1 minute chart. I should get familiar with the ATR on gold. Let's do that. Duplicate, new tab. Move it all the way down here. Get rid of the color. And change it to MGC. $2. Okay, so that's good to know. Yeah, that's actually perfect. $2 and my Renko boxes are $1. And in And Q, the average range is about 15 or 17 points, and my Renkos are 7, so that makes sense. It equates, it's equivalent. Let's get rid of all the indicators. We don't need them. Remove. We need the ATR. Keep VWAP. We'll keep one open range. We'll redo it. Remove, and remove. For now. Okay, let's make a pop now in gold by $1. So what's price at? Oh, I didn't even get to see. Omnius, good morning. It's been a shitty morning. Very tough trading. Very tough trading, and unfortunately for me, I broke rules again today. Let's go. One more $1 in gold. Let's get up to 89. Let's get up to 90, 50. 90, 90.1, 89.4, 89.5, wrong way. But gold moves in a flash. Gold's the kind of market that you go, hey, what happened? What just happened? All the time. Oh, getting close to getting stopped out. Oh, gotta get out. Take me out. There we go. Perfect. Okay, a little bit better. Got a little bit out of that. I gotta change the background on this because it is a gold chart. I don't want to confuse it. Let's go to silver. Silver can be good. Choppy day. Are you kidding? Look at this little box here between the previous day's high and VWAP. How many times we came into it, just went a little bit above. I went for coffee at this little break above. I thought it was going to hold. Falls. Does a little bit of a waterfall decline and goes right back up. Yes, it's a difficult day for trading, that's for sure. And I'm lucky I'm escaping with very little damage. Did you take any trades? Playing with my poker chips to keep me calm. But I like trying to trade gold. I think I found a new toy for scalping. I just got to be careful though, because I got caught a couple of times not taking my stops, hoping it would come back, and that's no good with gold. You really got to take your stops. It's not that I didn't take my stop, actually. I entered in a limit order, and I didn't get filled, and it continued to go. And at that point, I said, oh my God, I'm too far away. Okay, let's take a break from here. Let's go back to, oh, wow, look at you. Nice. Good stuff. Did you stream today? I forgot to check. Ah, shit. Now you should have told me. Let me go. Where are you? Chrome. Streamers. This should be you. Yeah, that's you. Bulenox is 91% off, eh? I don't know if you know. I see you have, I think you have a code. Looks like, I think I just saw Bulenox. 1 day ago, 5 days ago. Okay, so you don't trade every day. I mean, you don't stream every day. 6 days ago, 7 days ago, 8 days ago, 9 days ago. There you did, 12, 13. Okay, maybe most of the time. Ah, yeah, tell me about it. And I woke up with a horrific headache. So combine those two things. Yeah, it's quiet. I use the ATR to judge. And it's right now you can see in the bottom right corner. 11 points, that's very low. 7 is close the computer during the day session for me. In the evening session, it's 3 points. 10. So in the evening session, I have 3 points and 5 points. 5 points is kind of like in the evening. Be careful. Volatility is really dead. And 3, it's don't even bother. For the day session, 10 is be careful. And 7 points is don't even bother. Got to trade in gold. Let's take a 2 lot. Do it. See if I can get anything. See if I can get a pop. Keep me busy. Take a few pennies out. I'm long at 88.7. Let's get up to 90. Ooh, 87.7. I'll add one at 87.7. 87.5 in the end. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's fine. That's fine. It's a good trade. It's working the way I should. I'm going to keep my finger on the close button. Yeah, close. Oh well, that one didn't work out too good. Gold's getting quiet. You know what? It's around 11:30. I don't think maybe I should be trading gold anymore. I think that'll be it for me for the gold. I think gold gets really quiet around noon or 11:30 once London closes. We'll revisit it tomorrow or in the evening. Let me close it so I don't get tempted. Every candle, the range goes down. 993, 961. What's going to be the next one? 8.99. Is this going to be my day? Well, I guess the good side is I didn't trade topstep. Got a little bit of green in Bulenox for 170. Tiny little bit of green. It could have been really bad in Apex, and 2 red. It's Christmas colors. Let's text my wife. That's very annoying. Very annoying. Wow, I got to repeat all that. I just gave you a long speech. Okay, I'll start over, Omnius. You were talking about TikTok. You said you tried to look into streaming on TikTok. You couldn't figure it out. So to that I replied, I'm also thinking about it. I thought you were on the phone. That's funny. I'm also thinking about it, but I said I can help you out with that. I haven't done it yet. I'm thinking about it. I said I'll help you out with that. But let me repeat it. Let me go back. Go on your TikTok account on your phone. Hold on. Let me go to my profile. I get confused. Look, I'm not a great user here. My daughter gives me my guidance, but this I know is a fact. Click on the plus in the middle, kind of like you want to post something. And then on the bottom on your phone, you're going to see if you're enabled to go live. It's possible you're not even enabled to go live yet. I don't know how long you've been on TikTok, and it's by invitation, as far as I know. I did a little, that's what my daughter told me. I did a little research, and it also seemed like not everybody is enabled. You know, they sprinkle out invitations. So anyways, I see post, and then I have the word editor, and beside that, I have the word live. So if you have the word live, then you can go live. You're able to go live. If you don't have the word live yet, when you try to post something on TikTok, on the bottom, it doesn't say live, then you haven't been, I guess, I don't know, for lack of a better word, invited yet to go live. And I think it's, no, I got 676. That's all. Not 10,000 followers. And then the last thing that I told you is, I don't know if you want to stream from your phone, but for me, I wanted to stream from the desktop, so I downloaded something called TikTok Live Studio. Oh, the icon doesn't show up. TikTok Live Studio. It's on my desktop, and it looks like OBS. It sets up pretty much the same. So, and then I was saying also, I got to talk to Joker. I do the evening stream with Joker. Maybe I'll do it there, because TikTok seems to share your I don't know if the word's the links or whatever, but they put you in front of people's eyes at least a little bit, and then measure you. YouTube doesn't do that. You got to fight for every viewer on YouTube. I mean, I guess it makes sense, you know, if Patrick Whelan has 10,000 viewers, they're going to put him. He's the popular guy. Why would they put me in front of, you know, serve me instead of Patrick Whelan? But they should serve them all up and let people choose. At least give me the potential, you know, give small YouTubers the potential to bring in an audience. And I was telling Joker, it's like having on YouTube, it's like having a store in a crowded mall, but the mall puts a wall in front of your door or in front of your store. So even though there's all this hallway traffic and the stores have people coming in and out, if you're a new store, they board you up. You can't get any customers. They have to tunnel in. Let's see, I might get a long trade. I don't know which account I want to take it on. Coming up to 12 o'clock. So check your phone. See, go on TikTok and see if you have that live option. Click the plus or whatever it is, you know, like you want to make a post. And then right as soon as you do that, you'll see on the bottom. Again, like I said, it's. I'll see if I can show you what mine looks like. Let's see, where's my, Okay, will this show up? Let's see. I don't know if I put it close. No, green screen's fucking around. Okay, that doesn't show up. Anyways. I think it's simple enough. Like I said, click on TikTok, click on the plus sign on the bottom when you're in your profile or you're viewing the videos, and post editor and live on the bottom. If it just says post and editor, you're not enabled for live. Yeah, but you got to check first if I don't know if I see it on the computer. Let me open up TikTok on my computer. I don't know if it's gonna show me whether or not I'm enabled for live on the computer. I've never really used it on the desktop. I just on the desktop. On the desktop, I just use it for viewing. Yeah, I don't even, to be honest with you, like I said, I never used it. I don't even know how to post on the desktop. I'll take a small long here and see if I can chip away another $30. If we can get up. Sell limit up to here. Okay. So then you're most likely not enabled. What's your account on TikTok? I guess Omnius Trades, most likely, or is it just Omnius? I am Omnius. I am Omnius. Come on, take me out. Go up a little higher. No, back down. I would have gotten out of one. Reduce the risk. There we go. Omnius Trades. Let me search and see if I see you. There's a lot of Omniuses. Oh, I didn't type in Omnius. Oh, there you are. It actually says we're friends. I think I'm following you. Wow, you posted quite a bit. Holy shit. What do you mean you're new? Are you posting a video a day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 rows of 3. You have 60 videos up already. Let's go look at the pinned one with Grover. Wait till the end. Oh, there's a trade. There's a trade. It's 78. I'm in at 73. Let me give you a like. And Grover dances. That's funny. Long, 375. I'm long. Me too, I'm long. I don't like it. All I've been doing is catching losers today. Really tough day. First stop, yeah, no, mine's a little lower. 364. How are other people doing? Did you, today wasn't easy, no? No, very, very tough. I'm lucky that I escaped with minimal damage. Okay, that's it. Out. Close. Back down to 169 on that account. Yeah, go back up. Well, we're trading above previous day's high. And on the 15-minute, looks pretty damn bullish. So, not only on the 15-minute, but more importantly, on the daily. I mean, look at that on the daily. Let me remove this line. We don't need it anymore. It's over. Going to keep those in, but hard to argue with a chart that looks like that on the daily. Nice. You caught the move. I got stopped out. The markets are frustrating me today. I'm okay. I'm in control. I'm not let's get a bit of a pop to the upside. 78. Ooh, I'm long at 78.50. That sucks. I would have liked to be long at 73. See, I didn't fight for price on this trade. 'Take a small piece off. Because I didn't fight for price. There we go. We're getting over 78. Let's get into the 80s. 82. Take me out. Don't make it so difficult all the time. Now I can try and re-enter at 73. Oh my god. Okay, I don't need that anymore anyways. We're not trading between VWAP and the previous day's high, so it's not necessary. $10 points is the range on the 1 minute candles. I'll add in the low 70s, not even 73. I want 71. Give me 71, I add. Don't give me 71, I stick with what I have. I'm good either way. Wow, yeah, difficult day, and I'm staying past 12. That's kind of odd, eh? Kind of counterintuitive. So what do we got on the 1 minute chart besides low volatility? Ting, I got a message. I'm all excited. Waiting for a message from my wife, actually. That's funny. No, we didn't get. Oh, look where we are. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now let's get back up to 77, 78, 74, 75, 76, 77. Oh, didn't get filled. Pop. There we go. Got filled. And now let's go back up to 84. Yeah, even 79 will be good for me. 78. 78. That's twice. 78.50. 78 and a quarter. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. How did you do today, Woodchip? Any good stories? I won 395. 395. 395. I won 370 again, so I can get back in. 372. I'll get back in over here if I can do it. Keep chipping away. I'm red. Ooh, I was blistering red for a while. Hey, what the hell happened to my monitor there? Like I said, and now they're green on the top. Those three accounts on the green, on the top that are green, they were pretty ugly at one point. Okay, another chip away. Let's see if I can get back in. 370, around there. I'll just keep playing the vibrations. Oops, pressed the wrong button. Sorry about that. Woo! It was ugly. I'm re-looking, if that's a word. Well, like I said, the good news for me is I didn't trade my topstep account. Probably would have had losers there. The one of my PAs is down 200. It hit PDLL. 20. It's a 25K account. And just trying to get my account that takes the algo trades green manually. Well, we have a quadruple top over here on the Rinkos. I'll open it up. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Were there any others at this level? No, not in the recent past. So around here, selling comes in. Let's see if we can push through it and break through the initial balance high at looks like 405 approximately. I don't even know if I have it marked it off. 405-ish. That's it. Everything's good in the U.S. economy. Everything's good with Trump now. Volatility is going to die. 8.72. That really sucks. ATR in the 1 minute candles. I miss the days of 30. Can't say it's summer. It's not the summer. There was a little pop. Wood chip's going to get us 395. Let's go. I sounded like Methodical Man there. That's funny. And it wasn't intentional. There you go. 395. Did you have a limit order? 396. Take it. Maybe. I don't know. Don't listen to me. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade on demo only. Consult a licensed professional. I don't know what I'm talking about. Never listen to me. Good trade. I missed the open and waited till 10:45, then got chopped. I don't know. The open wasn't much easier for me, at least. Yeah, there was movement. Took half off. Yes, Joker was saying that today. It's good advice for me. Take a piece. Well, no. Hold a piece. Because I catch some really good runners sometimes, you know, based on my setups, but I never profit from it because I'm never holding a piece. Hold a piece. Take like a 3-lot or 4-lot. Get out of 60, 70, 80% of it. You know, like a 3-lot, get out of 2. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. That is good advice. That is solid advice. How often it wicks and comes back down. Yeah, but I'm definitely going to give that a try. I mean, even look at this one. What did I get out of? I got out at 76, 78. I'm still red too. I got red. I got those 2 greens. Let me flip the thing there, and then I have these 2 reds. So 300 red, 300 green. Pretty much even on the day. Wow, they're having fun upstairs, whatever they're doing. I want to go. Okay. I'm going to go. What the hell? Maybe I'll come back in the afternoon for power hour. Nothing's going on. Mind you, volatility's 11. It's not that bad. I think for me on a day like today, I've chopped, reduced size. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I got to reduce size. I was trading crazy sizes today. I got a little out of hand. Or a lot out of hand. Lucky I was able to steer the car back onto the track, so to speak. I'm going to take a small short here, believe it or not. Because the risk is... Oh, I was going to say the risk is very small, but it just got stopped out. So since the short got stopped out, the long triggered. At 92, and I'm long at 90. That's not bad. I'll add at 85. Going against me. 87. Oh yeah, for sure. 21,500. I don't mean for sure it's going to hit it, but yeah, that's That's an obvious target. Okay, let's get up to 99. Let's get up to 400. This trade makes or breaks me for my day. On this account. The PA I can't touch anymore. My PDLL was hit. And this one I'll play and I'll enjoy. I'll add every couple of points. Try to catch some vibrational benefits. 92, 93, take a piece off at 2. Get back in at 88. It goes down. Gonna make a quick pop. There's 94.50. This account is slowly getting whittled. It's at 49,880. Get back in at 88. Those two lots, if I can get back out at 93, that'll be good. That'll be 5 points. That'll be another 20. 91.75. 92 and a quarter. 92.50. Come on. Hey. You were right there. 92.75. Oh, that didn't stay long. 85. Okay, it's a little deeper. 85. Let's get back up now to 91, 92. It's the 91s. I still want that one was from the 85 that I entered, sort of. It's not really FIFO accounting, it's my own accounting, but I did take an 85 entry, so I can take 91. I do have my previous 88. I'm trying for 93. If I see 85, I'll re-add my 85. And try to chip away. And hopefully, eventually, it makes the move up that I'm hoping for. It goes up to 99. 399, right? Is that it? 92? Yeah. 92 to 99. 7-point move from the trigger. 945 again. Ooh, we're low. I can add. Those adds were at 83, so let's get back up to 88. Or stop me out. 92, 85. I think my stop is at 78. Like I said, that'll be it for me. 92, 88, 78. Yeah, the stop's at 78. Hopefully that's just a little fake dip. My price, 86. I wanted 88, 87. Good enough. Now let's get 90. 87. Boy, they're really making me work for it. There we go. There's the 90. Take me out. There we go. Now let's go to 99. If it goes to 99, this last two lot is a 99. I'm even going to put it in. Sell limit. 98. Okay, 398. That's a little bit of a front run on the 21,400. And let's rinse and repeat again. Get filled at 85, 84. I'll buy another two lot. There we go, 85. And that piece, if I can get out at 90. Stop is 78 still. Ooh, getting close. I'm on the close button. Watching top step. Oh, we're back over 85. Wow, for one fucking bar to form. I'm waiting a fucking year. 85, 85, 75. Fire! Do you have a futures floor Facebook? No, I didn't do Facebook. I didn't do Instagram. I should, I guess. I did Twitter. I like Twitter. I think Twitter is good. I think Twitter brings in traffic a little bit if you link it to YouTube. I like Twitter. I'm not a fan of TikTok. TikTok didn't bring me any valuable traffic, really. No, valuable. That's the wrong word. I don't think TikTok, I don't even know why I said that. I don't think TikTok brought me in any traffic. Okay, I got to get out. That's it. It got stopped out. So what am I at? Down 89. I think that's, after all that, I don't think I've made any headway. Yeah, I think it seems like almost everyone on TikTok is doing what I'm doing. Posting and trying to, generate traffic from it. Seems like everyone is like that. But on Twitter, you get legitimate followers. I got to work on it harder. Every time I post on YouTube, or if I see an interesting story, I try to post on Twitter or X. Actually, so you should do that. When you post on TikTok, you should then share it to your Twitter account. And go look at the groups. There's a group called Futures Basics. I get a lot more views when I post in there instead of posting just on my profile. Okay. I'm super bored. My kids are having fun upstairs, yelling and screaming. I don't mean that in a bad way. They're actually having fun. I'm going to go see what they're doing, besides cooking, because I heard the smoke alarm go off. I'm going to accept my day as it is, and maybe I'll come back in the afternoon. Might even stream in the afternoon. I never tried really a 2 o'clock stream. See how that goes. Thanks for showing up, guys. Appreciate it. And most likely co-streaming tonight, 7:30 or 8 p.m. I don't know. Maybe I'll come on earlier if I'm in the mood. And if not, if I don't see you guys tonight, hopefully I will see you tomorrow morning. Trade safe because the volatility sucks. 9 points. Average range on the 1 minute candles. You can sit here for an hour and price goes nowhere. Look from 11:30 till 12:20 right now. What did we do? 95.65, 30-point range in the last hour. Last week we had 30 points in 1 minute. Now we're getting 30 points in an hour. Very hard to make money with that. Very frustrating. So anyways, yeah, hopefully maybe I'll come back in the afternoon. And take care. Trade safe.